We will be studying how we will find out the median in case of frequency distribution, or also we call it as continuous series. Now the first thing we will do is arrange ascending and descending order. Then what we will do, we will find out the cumulative frequency. Then we will find out the median class using n divided by 2th item. Then we will use the formula to find out the median, which is equal to L1, which is your lower limit of the median class, plus n divided by 2, that is the summation of frequency, minus your cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, then the frequency of the median class into your I, which is the size of the median class interval. So your L is your lower limit of the median class, CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Then F is your frequency of median class. I is the class interval of median class. So let's see with the help of an example. This is the question. You have to find out the median value. Now the first step was to arrange the series into the ascending or descending order, which is already arranged: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. The second step was to find out the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency we used to find out, this was 22, then 22 plus 38, which is equal to 60, then 60 plus 46 is 106, then 106 plus 35 is 141, 141 plus 20 is 161. So your summation F is equal to 161, right? So N here is 161, right? Now you have to do the N by 2th item, you have to find out. So 161 divided by 2 is 80.5th item. So you have to see this item in the cumulative frequency. It cannot be in the 60 class. No, so 80.5 will be in the cumulative frequency of 106, right? So this is your median class. Corresponding to it, this comes your median class. So the formula for median was L1 plus n divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, then frequency of the median class into class interval of the median class. Now we find out the median class. So lower limit is 20, n divided by 2 is 80.5, minus your cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. This was your median class. We find out what is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class is 60. So this is your CF in this case, 60. The frequency of the median class is 46, so this is the frequency 46 into I. The interval of the median class is 20 to 30 is 10, so 10 is the class interval. 20 plus 20.5 divided by 46 into 10, which is equal to 20 plus 4.46, that is 24.46. So your median lies between 20 to 30. This we will find out through the cumulative frequency by n divided by 2. So this is your median class from 20 to 30. Now we have to find out the median value from this class. So we use this formula to find out the median value. So your median is 24.46. I hope you liked our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.